Application Insights for Copilot Studio, guys. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will cover how to set up this application insights for your Copilot Studio agents. We will also look at an example that I've already set up, and we will look at the new preview dashboard, which is the Copilot Studio dashboard in the Azure Application Insights. And we will also discuss some of the architecture behind this. So, what is App Insights? It's a feature of the Azure Monitor, and it gives you access to monitor your live applications. Of course, you need a subscription to Azure. For Copilot Studio and your agent, your messages get logged, the events that are sent to and from your agent. You also have the topics that triggered during user conversations, and you can use custom query language to create your own custom events. So the background, this is what gets ingested. So you get the telemetry ingestion point here, getting all this telemetry that we just discussed, the users and the what do I say, the average time there on the agent, and which one of the topics uses a lot of time. You will see that the slowest topic is interesting in one of my agents, and also you can put on your own settings and alerts if you want to. So this is an example of a custom event created by a user. And configuration is quite straightforward. Six clear steps. You set up an application insights in Azure. You locate the connection string, Copilot Studio, go to advanced, no, settings first on the top, and then advanced, and then app insights. From there, you can just add the connection string. And then in between here, you do have to choose if you want to actually connect some of the data. So you will see that sensitive data can be logged in terms of user ID and this type of data. So let me quickly show you how to do this. And here is the documentation. As you can see here, the topics and the custom telemetry events. And this is what I was talking about. What you can choose to enable one of the following settings. So if enabled, details coming in and out, and this is the sensitive activity properties. So this is something you, of course, have to discuss with your team and compliance team if you want to log the user ID and the name, text, and speak. Good. Let's go over to Azure, and we will create an Azure Application Insight, and let's create this and call it for. Yeah, I will use one of my old resource groups. So just Fabric Data Agents and call this for, let me just create a new one and call this for app in, yeah, app ins. And the name will be Agent Analytics. Usually I have my most of my environments in East US, so I will keep this in East US. And tags, I usually love these tags, so I will give it a purpose and give it Copilot Studio, review and create this. So while it's creating, I will head over to one of my agents. This is my MCP Learn agent. This agent is connected to Microsoft MCP Learn. I'm using this to actually study for the Azure Network Engineer exam, which I'm planning to take soon, and also connected this to one of my agents, which is a CV agent, and I created a pizza topic with some logic in there just to test the different components of this agent. So let's go over to settings, and once we are in settings, you can go over to advanced. From here, you can have application insights, and something is, yeah, log node tools. This will log each time a node is within a topic is executed. Very granular. Log sensitive activity operations. So this is where the user ID, username, and message text for message activities. So this is sensitive and needs to be discussed before turning on. I will have it on. So I think my resource is done here. Let's check here. Deployment succeeded. So let's see. Up insights. Come on. Let's see here. Once we are there and back here. So here is my app insights, and as you can see here, this is in East US, and I just copy this, which is the connection string, go back to my agents, paste it in here, and save. So this will take a while. And then I have to go back and publish my agent. But once I've done this, that's it. If you remember our slides, you just add the connection string, save and start logging, and review the insights. So while this is loading, there is something cool in preview. This is the Copilot Studio dashboard in the workbooks. This is powered, of course, by the Azure Monitor Application Insights. Gives you the latency, the exceptions, tool usage, topic analytics, and this will, of course, help your teams to track operational health for the agents. But let's just jump into the admin center and look at one of them that I already have set up. While this is still loading, yeah, this is done. Good. Close this down and publish the agent. Good. This agent is publishing. So let's move back here and look at one of my old or already set up. So here I have another learn agent, of course, and I can see the failed request, server response time, but not very relevant for now. But once you go to monitoring and workbooks, you actually have this in preview, which is the Copilot Studio dashboard. So in here, I can see all the usage, I can see the queries, I can see the daily active users, and also agent response time. So, okay, so this is not populated. Ah, wrong. This one was the right one. So in here we have workbooks and Copilot Studio dashboard. This should have some data at least. Let's see. Yes. So I have new was returning users, singleton or multi-ton conversations, and I can see the tool response time, the tool success rate, and to be honest, I didn't expect goodbye to be the slowest of these two topics, but it was actually the slowest, which was over 3 seconds. So shocking, but that's how you set up the Azure Application Insights for Copilot Studio. And you can also use the workbook, which is the Copilot Studio dashboard. You can edit this and share it with your team members, but they need at least a reader role in this application insights. So that's it for the application insights. Please feel free to comment if there is anything I've missed, and remember to hit the like and subscribe button, guys. Thank you. See you next